Windows has a built-in tool called Encrypting File System, or EFS, available on Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. It encrypts files and folders individually using fast symmetric encryption combined with your Windows user's public key. This means only your account can decrypt the data, keeping it safe even if someone accesses your drive physically. To encrypt a folder, right-click it, select Properties, then Advanced. Check Encrypt Contents to secure data, click OK, and apply the changes to the folder, subfolders, and files. Windows will prompt you to back up your encryption certificate. Do not skip this critical step. Your encryption keys are tied to your Windows profile. If you lose your profile or reinstall Windows without exporting your certificate, your encrypted data becomes permanently inaccessible. Back up your certificate immediately by exporting it as a password-protected .pfx file and store it on a separate drive. Encrypting without backing up keys, syncing encrypted folders with OneDrive, or copying files to non-NTFS drives can expose your data. Also, EFS protects against physical theft, but not against someone logged into your account. EFS is great for protecting specific folders on shared PCs. BitLocker encrypts entire drives, ideal for lost laptops. VeraCrypt works across platforms and is suitable for Windows Home users. Choose based on your security needs and environment.